Ladies and gentlemen, Peter Pan's eggs. World's gonna change. Oh, look at that egg defending himself against the beast. My pigeon's eggs hatched. Just one. Just one right now. We're gonna go have a look. You can see his head there. It's not moving right now. It's really hard to get a good shot. Just getting them to taste it first before I give him some. I think he wants some now. So I just put his beak right inside here. And act like the mother. Moving it around. Make sure to actively always have them eating from it. Don't let them take breaks. You'll get oxygen in them. And don't worry if the food falls out of the bottle. That's okay. As long as it keeps it flowing, and then you got nothing left in there, and you're good. If you make a mess the first couple times, you're fine. He eats it, gobbles it up. Look how fat he is. He's a big fatso, and he's a little messy. So I'm just gonna clean him off a bit, and Is that your mommy cooing? Are you taking your first steps? You're taking your first steps, you is? Yes, you is. Yes, you is. Yes, you is. Are you gonna walk? Do you wanna go? Move your belly. Perch one day? Is that going to be your perch one day? Hey Rochi, come see your buddy. Do you think the baby will do some walks on the ground for us? Oh, he's walking. He's walking. He's walking. Yes, he is. Come here. What you doing? You're a big talker. You're a big talker? Yes, you is. Haven't you seen my video? I said it's okay.
Did you get a lot to eat? Oh, look at you. You're all messy.
Too tired. He's ate so much, I fed him so much, he's gonna burst. Not literally, but, you know. A lot of feathers today. You know, it's really gorgeous colors. You know, on the wings here, these are really big wings for a 2-week-old baby here. This is the 2-week day, so this is the end of the movie or segment, whatever you want to call it.
He sees his mom.
You had enough? You did? You're gonna eat some more? How old are you when you're eating? You're only 16 days old? And you're eating on your own?
Is he really? Yeah, he is. See, I just seen a couple go. He goes so fast.
Look at that, eating on his own. 16 days old. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yeah.
Fuck by what that bitch talking. She ain't got the cash, so that bitch get the walking. I ain't sleep shit, think about them dollars. Pop a pill, pop a nigga, pop my collar. I'm popping like a tic-tac, bitch, you better get back. Funny looking bitch, who you been fucking sit back? I did that, do it all a little bit. Never small, got a crib with a cousin. You would think you at the mall. In the mouth like halls, in the jaws like wisdom teeth. You hit a beat, I bet you they gon' make this in the Middle East. I been a freak, that's great, I was fucking in the bathroom. I was
I just cleaned your cage. Why are you throwing all the seeds everywhere, Shirley?
I can't believe it. He's already standing on his perch.
You want down now? You had enough? You can drink some more? Oh, there you go. He's drinking. Yeah. Ah.
Good boy. Do it again.
My bud sitting there on the perch with me, watching TV.